This prompt is more of a sales one. So the prompt we're going to use today says, based on this LinkedIn profile, and I just put in the link of a LinkedIn profile. I picked Gary Vaynerchuk. You can pick anybody you want. I picked, somebody that a lot of people know. And summarize likely business challenges in business management. So this would be likely business challenges in whatever your company offers. Suggest 3 discovery questions tailored toward their role for my business as a business management consultant. So we offer business management consultant. We're going to reach out to Gary. We want to know what questions that we should ask Gary, based on what we can discern off his LinkedIn profile. So then, it kind of goes through and finds, probably a lot of information on him on the internet. This is going to be a little bit different if you pick somebody a little less, high profile, but you get the idea of what we're trying to do here. And so these are the big themes that are pulled up: is scaling versus maintaining culture, talent acquisition, technology disruption, operational complexity, all these things. And then we get our discovery questions. So we'll just read through one of them here. The second one: how do you ensure that as you grow and vary business units, yada, 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 there's an alignment in objectives, culture, resource allocation without introducing excessive bureaucracy or slowing creativity? So that's a hell of a question. And then it tells you, like, this is what it's going to reveal. So you would obviously want to maybe tailor the output of this to be a little bit more specific, but these may be great questions for somebody that is as sophisticated as Gary is. So this is a great prompt to, again, we're trying to focus on discovery questions for a prospect. So you could build something like a custom GPT for this, where all you would have to do every time is just put the link to the LinkedIn profile. Hey, I got a meeting with this person. Kind of tell me what's going on with this person, maybe a way that we could relate to each other and stuff like that. It's a great way to do some homework on prospects.